Hi guys, so underneath this plate I've attached the aerial. I'll show you on the other side. This is the heat sink with blue paste underneath it. It's got 3 screws, one there, and the final one just there. Just going to screw that in now. That's it, so that's the heat sink on with the aerial clipped in. It comes through from the other side and goes in around and there. This is for the obviously for the right hand drive, and there you can see the patched up leg. So now we're going to put the back plate on, this little thing, onto there. So I'm going to pause the video, and by the time we come back it'll be fixed. So that's the back on. I'm just going to put 2 screws in there and there, but from the other side, and they go in there and there. That secures the back on. So I'm just putting the propellers on. One there, sorry, that. And I'm using a bit of thread lock to make sure. So that's the last propeller. So that's all the props checked, and that's the last prop on. Tomorrow we're going to solder those 3 wires, and hopefully that's it, job done.